Hi, my name is Trisha Schweinfurth. I'm from Chicago, and I'm a junior in college.
Okay.
No, I never been here, but I've been a lot of other places.
Okay.
Well, we got here at night around like 6 or 7 p.m. the other day, so I couldn't really see the ocean or anything like beyond our hotel, but when I woke up in the morning, I thought it was so gorgeous. I'm staying here until Tuesday, and we've been here since last Wednesday, and I'm here because it's spring break.
Okay.
Honestly, just relaxing all day, laying out in the sun has been so nice, and just eating a lot of food. I think we're going on like a boat cruise one day, and then I'm gonna go to the spa, and that's pretty much it, and just relaxing. Definitely, I would recommend it to people of really any age. I feel like there's like older people here, people our age, and younger children, so I think it would be good for anyone.